Title: 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6 and to offer a la carte OEM performance parts channel. Motor Hub 1003. Hyundai isn't just building electric cars, they're rewriting the rulebook. With the upcoming 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6 in, the Korean automaker is taking performance EV customization to a whole new level. For the first time, Hyundai will allow customers to choose from a menu of OEM performance parts, a la carte. This isn't just about accessories. It's about factory-backed, track-tuned upgrades tailored to the driver's style. And that changes everything. The Hyundai division is already known for building aggressive, track-capable versions of everyday models. But the Ioniq 6 is pushing things further by offering modularity at the performance level. This means drivers can spec the car not just for speed, but for the kind of performance they actually want. Whether that's sharper handling, more aggressive aerodynamics, or enhanced cooling systems. No more settling for one-size-fits-all trims. You build it your way, right from the dealership. What makes this approach revolutionary is that all performance parts are OEM certified. That means no warranty headaches, no aftermarket compatibility issues, and no guessing about fit or finish. Whether it's high-performance brakes, stiffer suspension, lightweight wheels, or software tuning packs, Hyundai is offering it all with full factory backing. It's performance with peace of mind. The EV market has been criticized for being too cookie cutter. Same motors, same software, same experience. With the 2026 Ioniq 6 in, Hyundai is throwing that narrative out the window. This car is about driver engagement, something electric vehicles often lack. By making performance parts modular and accessible, Hyundai is giving EV enthusiasts what they've been asking for: customization with credibility. While Hyundai hasn't officially released the full catalog, early leaks and prototype sightings suggest options like adjustable track-tuned suspension kits, carbon ceramic brakes, high downforce aerodynamic packages, custom in-performance software profiles, lightweight forged wheels, advanced cooling modules for sustained high-speed performance. This isn't just an EV with sporty looks. It's a platform for true driving performance, piece by piece. Make no mistake, Hyundai is taking direct aim at the Tesla Model 3 performance, BMW i4 M50, and even the upcoming Polestar 4. But what sets the Ioniq 6 apart is the flexibility. You don't have to buy the fully loaded model if you only care about handling or visual flair. Hyundai is letting enthusiasts pick and pay for what they actually want. That's a customer-first approach rarely seen in the performance EV space. Hyundai's approach with the 2026 Ioniq 6 isn't just bold, it's smart. As electric cars evolve, so should the way we buy them. A la carte OEM performance parts could very well become the new standard, and Hyundai is first out of the gate. Here at Motor Hub 1003, we'll be watching closely as Hyundai reveals more about pricing, options, and performance benchmarks. One thing's clear, the performance EV game just got a whole lot more interesting.